This little thing is very bright. This tiny little thing is the K&F RGB LED video light, and I love this thing. It's packed with features for creators, streamers, and anyone who needs flexible lighting on the go. Okay, let me turn this off and walk you through it. On the side of the unit, you've got these two control dials, and a multifunction button is on the back to cycle through different settings. There's also a tiny little screen over here. When you turn on the device, the screen will show you the settings. You can use that on modes to set things like brightness, color, temperature, hue, and even some special effects, which I'll talk about in a second. Another great thing is the screen in the back always shows you what setting you're on and what adjustment you're making, so you never have to guess about turning dials or pushing buttons. I got to put this back on me again so you can see the different ranges of color temperature. It can go from like a warm tungsten. It also can go all the way into this bright cold temperature if you really want to have no warmth in it and just adjust warmth when you're doing your post-production. And this is the warmest setting. God, that hurts my eyes. You can also put it in RGB mode in order to change the color. So here's a nice pinkish sort of color, all the way from purpley pink, moving towards blue, and then into sort of a teal color, into a light green, and then a dark green. You can go through the entire RGB range. And if you look on the top, it's telling you what the hue is over here. And I could push that again and change the brightness. That's only 64% power. That's 100% power, and I cannot see the teleprompter anymore. Obviously, brightness-wise, this thing punches well above its size or its weight class. There's also effects modes, which you can put this into and set on the back. This one's called TV screen. If you want to set it so it looks like a TV that's slightly getting dimmer and brighter for a video shoot you're doing, you could do that. The next one is candle. This one flickers a bit. After that is flame, and then a second speed of a flame. The police strobes, ambulance strobe, fire truck. I'm not sure fire trucks use only red lights, but a regular strobe, a third version that I'm sorry might have given you an epileptic seizure. Firework 2, which is faster. Romantic. There's a cold shoe mount that comes with it. You can put it on either side of the device, and there's a lanyard so you can hold this when you're walking around. It's lightweight, pocket size, and quite honestly, way more cool than I thought it was going to be when I first saw the box. If you're building out a kit for YouTube, or you're doing photography or remote interviews, or you just need a portable RGB light for creative work, this is a really solid pick from a company that's been quietly putting out really great gear for years.